Obviously, in your travels, there are care providers that do have programs that fill some of those gaps to a degree. So can you talk to us about what you found, what you've observed?
I've seen some excellent programs, but they tend to be the larger care providers with a large number of care homes.
Yeah.
Because then you've got the economies of scale.
Yes.
And some of them have excellent aspiring leaders programs.
Yeah.
One care provider that I work with, their aspiring managers had a A5 workbook, and it was a chunky document.
Yeah.
And they've worked through that. But it's pretty much learning on the job, learn as you go,
Yeah.
a lot of self-reflection.
Yes.
So what I'm seeing is some of that learning doesn't meet people's learning styles.
Okay.
Not everybody learns by writing in a book, do they?
No.
Not everybody learns by sitting in a training room.
Yeah.
So I think we need to meet learning styles.
Got
So
you.
I've seen some really good stuff,
Yeah.
like I've just described. But then I haven't seen the really bad stuff, because the really bad stuff doesn't exist. And how can you see what doesn't exist? So in a lot of services, there just is nothing.
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all. So you can't see the bad stuff, because the bad stuff doesn't exist.
Doesn't exist. Okay, fair enough. And in terms of the management leadership training that people do access, and I accessed some of that sort of 10 or 15 years ago, does it tend to be, we'll teach you management and leadership training, and then you need to apply it to the context, or is it context specific? This is how you manage in a social care service.
It tends to be, this is the theory. Off you go.
I see. So we'll give you the skills.
It's not even what you said the first time. It's not even go off and apply it. It's, this is the theory.
This is a theory.
So for example, you might do a module on managing change.
Yeah.
It's going to go through all the change theories, isn't it?
Yeah.
But where's the bit where you need to apply it to specific scenarios?
Yeah.
So if I were teaching managing change,
Yeah.
then the theory bit will be the small part. The big bit is where I get my learner or my learners to apply it to a real workplace scenario.
Got you.
Because that is where learning occurs. That is where people start to connect the dots. That is where they learn not just today, but they learn for the future. And that's what learning is, isn't it?
Got you.